a white-knuckle struggle 5,332 miles away, surrounded by beauty, yet terror. But little did they know, this near-tragic accident half a world away would lead to one of the greatest breakthroughs in weight loss history for men and women over the age of 40 everywhere, and how this once-in-a-lifetime trip led to a once-in-a-lifetime discovery that helped Sharon lose 17 pounds instantly, and later a total of 97 pounds, going from this to this, all without strenuous exercise or dieting, while erasing the crushing anxiety and depression from being in an abusive relationship and saying hello to abundant energy, vitality, and the confidence to live again. And all it takes is 10 seconds each morning before breakfast to experience this rapid weight loss. Because it seems the more you follow this 10-second tip, the faster you'll get ahead of any weight loss plateau, helping you lose more weight as time goes on, and without slowing down. You see, if belly fat and love handles are a problem for you, this breakthrough, it seems, attacks this type of fat buildup at the source. Exactly like peeling away an onion. This powerful 10-second trick will remove months to years of layered, trapped fat around your core until what's revealed is the flat stomach you want and body you desire. According to Time magazine, there's a certain silent killer that effectively blocks your metabolism from doing its job by rerouting the food you eat, even if it's the healthiest, organic, non-GMO food you can find, to be shuttled towards your stomach and gobbled up by starving fat cells. Like a bottomless pit, this silent killer instructs these fat cells to consume the food you eat, even if it's healthy, just to grow in size, exactly like starving cancer cells. We'll get to more of that in just a minute, because this silent killer has also been linked to some of the most major diseases that have plagued our loved ones, like diabetes, hypertension, heart disease, and even cancer. Let me put it bluntly. This silent killer is worse than eating McDonald's 7 days per week. It's worse than smoking a pack of cigarettes every day. And it's worse than sitting at a desk for 10 plus hours. Basically, if left unchecked, this silent killer can leave a path of destruction, making it harder for you to lose the heavy, suffocating, deadly fat around your midsection while your metabolism slows to a screeching halt. And no matter how hard you exercise or watch what you eat, this silent killer will just smile back at you as your body continues to pack on fat for no apparent reason. However, when you follow this breakthrough tip each morning before starting your day, belly fat can melt away like butter in a hot pan. In fact, the longer you've struggled with your weight, the faster you can experience a slimmer belly because your metabolism will make up for lost time. Many who've sworn by this fat-flushing secret report losing between 7 and 17 pounds the first week alone, plus up to 3 inches around their waists. You see, as you get older, belly fat buildup is a symptom of something much larger happening inside of you. That's why it's not always your diet or lack of activity that causes it. No, not even your genetics most of the time. After 40, your body is more sensitive to certain stressors, which accelerates this buildup. And it all can be traced back to this silent killer causing destruction from the inside out. However, stopping this is now possible thanks to this breakthrough weight loss discovery 5,332 miles away. I'm going to show you what it is in this short video because it has nothing to do with detox teas, shakes, smoothies, exercise, fasting, or keto. This is so much easier than anything weight loss scientists have seen, and why pharmaceutical companies are scrambling to learn more, then patent it themselves, making it harder for good people like you to get the help you need and want. That's why this is very important. I don't know how much longer we can talk about all this, so make sure you pay attention. In just a minute, I'll give you a simple test you can perform on yourself to see if this silent killer is telling your metabolism to store fat instead of burn fat. Plus, the simple trick you can use in the morning that flushes fat from your trouble spots like water being squeezed from a balloon. Now, if belly fat isn't your main problem, but more so your butt, hips, thighs, or arms, this African fat loss secret discovered on the banks of the Zambezi River could release this problem area fat until you reach your ideal shape and weight. In fact, the power of this African secret runs so deep, it could even help calm high blood pressure, reduce bad cholesterol, ease pain, and lower blood sugar.